Hello, let us start with 10th part of chapter 12. Nomenclature of simple or aromatic compounds. What are aromatic compounds? Aromatic compounds contain one or more isolated or fused benzene rings. An aromatic compound consists of two parts. First part, nucleus. The most ideal aromatic compound is benzene. It is represented by a regular hexagon of 6 carbon atoms with 3 alternate single and double bonds. This is called nucleus. The ring may be represented by any of the following 3 ways. These ways are shown to you on the screen. A circle inside the cyclohexane ring represents 6 completely delocalized pi electrons or 3 conjugated double bonds. Side chain, the alkyl group or any other aliphatic group containing at least one carbon atom which is attached to the benzene ring is called the side chain. Each family of aromatic compounds consists of the following two types of compounds with quite different chemical properties. Number 1, nuclear substituted, those in which the functional group is directly attached to the benzene ring. In the IUPAC system, they are named as derivative of benzene. The position of the substituent in disubstituted benzene are indicated either by prefix or by Arabic numerals. Means ortho, you can write small o or position 1 and 2. Meta, you can write small m or position 1 and 3. Para, small p or position 1 or 4. Side chain substituted, those in which the functional group is present in the side chain of the benzene ring, both in the common and IUPAC systems. These are usually named as phenyl derivatives of the corresponding aliphatic compounds. The positions of the substituents on the side chain, including the benzene ring, are indicated by Greek letter alpha, beta, gamma in the common system and by the Arabic numerals 1, 2, 3, etc. in the IUPAC system. Here are some examples of aromatic hydrocarbons. Just see the examples. You have to do lot of practice for these examples. Toluene, benzene ring with CH3. Phenol, benzene ring with OH. Aniline, benzene ring with NH2. Acetophenone, benzene ring with COCH3. Benzaldehyde, benzene ring with CHO. Benzoic acid, benzene ring with COOH. Benzonitrile, benzene ring with CN, and orthoxylene and styrene. Aryl groups. Phenyl, when phenyl is said when benzene ring one hydrogen is replaced by one alkyl group. Similarly, benzyl, toyl and phenyl, benzyl, benzyl, benzo. Now halogen derivatives. Chlorobenzene, bromobenzene, as these CH3 and Br, they are on adjacent position, that is position 1 and 2. So it is called orthobromotoluene. CH2Cl, this is benzyl chloride. Next CHCl2, when on the benzene ring it is benzyl chloride, and when benzene ring contains CCl3, benzo chloride, benzo trichloride. And hydroxy derivatives, hydroxy derivative benzene ring contain OH, for example phenol. Orthocresol, metacresol, paracresol, they are showing the position of OH and CH3 at position 1 and 2, at position 1 and 3, at position 1 and 4. Now hydroxoquinone, hydroxoquinone means benzene ring contain OH groups at opposite position to each other, and OH group when at meta position, then it is called resorcinol. Aromatic alcohols, benzyl alcohol, ethoxybenzene, benzaldehyde, acetophenone, and salicylaldehyde, ethyl phenyl ketone, they all depend upon the position of substituent to the benzene ring. Nitro compounds. Benzene ring attached to NO2. This is nitrobenzene. Similarly, when position change 1, 3, 1, 2, 1, 4. Similarly, it will be meta, dinitrobenzene, ortho, dinitrobenzene, para, dinitrobenzene. Similarly, when one group is CH3 and other group is NO2, and third case one, there are 3 times NO2, then it is called 1,3,5 trinitrobenzene. And when there are 3 NO2 group and 1 OH group, then its common name is picric acid. And amines, phenylamine, when benzene ring is attached to one NH2, and when there is one NH2 and one CH3, this is 2-methyl phenylamine. And when their position is changed, that is at the para position, then it is 4-nitrophenylamine. Carboxylic acids, when benzene ring contains COOH, benzoic acid. When along with COH there is OH, then it is 2-hydroxybenzoic acid. COH and NO2, then it is 3-nitrobenzoic acid. Now, arene diazonium salts, that is benzene ring containing N2Cl, N2 positive, Cl negative. This is also called benzene diazonium chloride, diazonium, that it contains N triple bond N. This can also be called benzene ring N2Cl negative. On the benzene ring there is N2Cl negative.